So which of the following is incorrect? Oh, sorry. Which of the following is correct about properties of a mixture? So correct. Mixtures do not have their own properties. That could be true. Boiling point of a mixture is lower than its components. Probably not, because it's probably somewhere in between the two. The melting point of a mixture is higher than its components. Again, probably not. It's probably somewhere in between. Properties of mixtures do not depend on the components of a mixture. Now that can't possibly be true, because if a property of a mixture didn't depend on the components of a mixture, every mixture would have the same properties. So a mixture of salt and water would have the same properties as a mixture of, I don't know, maybe rock and water. So you can see that that can't be true in this one. So A is the correct answer. Mixtures don't have their own properties. Mixtures are just combinations of properties from their components. Okay? There's no real, they don't have any unique properties that you wouldn't be able to find in either of the two, or even in either of the components. So mixtures don't have their own unique properties. They're combinations of properties of their components. Okay. The atomic mass of astatine, At is 210. What is the neutron number of At? Okay. So basically, we have the atomic mass, the protons plus neutrons. Now you got to look up the atomic number, which is the number of protons, and then we can, to work out the number of neutrons, we can just subtract the number of protons, which is the atomic number, from this number. Okay, and if we look it up, we'll see that astatine is number 85, atomic number 85. So if I subtract 85 from 210, I get 125. Okay, so this is how many neutrons there are. This is how many protons there are, and this is how many neutrons plus protons. Okay, so that's how we work it out. Okay, one of the isotopes of uranium has 143 neutrons. What is the atomic mass of uranium? So now it's a different question. We had the atomic mass before, but now we have the number of neutrons. Okay, so if we look up the periodic table, we'll find the atomic number of uranium, which is 92. We know the number of neutrons, and that equals the mass number. Okay, so the number of protons plus the number of neutrons equals the mass number. If we add them together, we get 235. Okay, so that's how we work it out. You have to go back to your periodic table and look these things up, because that's your best friend, the periodic table in chemistry, and it will save you so many times. Okay, so there's your answer.